Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome, whether you're brand new or you've been with me since the beginning. I'm so glad to have you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure and subscribe so you can see what I'm up to. Today I just wanted to show you the Hero Arts monthly hero kit. This one is pretty neat because it's like Venice. It's very Italian themed. Each of the kits comes with a certain amount of tools and then stamps and dies. So this month you get a Tombow Mono drawing pen, water-based pigment ink marker, and it's an 03. It's a nice, fine. Then foam tape, which I didn't even know you could order from Hero Arts, so that's pretty cool. And it is acid and lignin free. And it looks like there's two different 2 by 12 millimeters, 2.2 yards. Nope, they're both 1/2 inch and different thicknesses. That's what it is. This one's 1 millimeter and this one's 2. Because they're targeting us crafters, you can pick the thickness. This 2 millimeter one, it's pretty thick. I'd probably get the 1. Okay, then the stamps I'm going to put on this piece of watercolor paper so you can see. They're Italian and English sentiments. Okay, so we have thank you, buongiorno, wishing you the best. I don't speak Italian. Ciao, would it be ti amo? Boy, okay, yeah, I'm not even gonna try. Thinking of you, birthday, retirement, happy, so you can mix it up. La vida è bella, life is beautiful, grazie. And then can you see birds? I think that must be like a little candy or something. A leaf, some more birds, a wine glass. I'm going to say clouds, a really darling little artistic heart, and some swirls, and a sun. Then when you see the dies, it'll make more sense. If you've been to Venice, these dies will make perfect sense to you. So you have the waters, you have the laundry that hangs out over the channels, and you have a gondola and the buildings that would be along the sides, and the bridge and the other side. So you could make an entire scene with the building on the left and right and the water and the bridge, and cut these out and pop them up with your foam mount and make something just amazing. This kit, as I mentioned before, these are monthly. This kit also came with a bunch of paper. I'm just not going to show that to you. So you can see it comes with a set of stamps, dies, the foam tapes, the papers, and the pen. Very neat, wrapped in this beautiful purple tissue with this ribbon that is probably going to go with your inspired color theme with the papers that it came with. Thanks so much for watching. If you are interested in kits, be sure and follow the brand that you like. Look on Instagram, look online. If you're not a fan of Hero Arts, I don't know why, but you don't have to be, but you can check out the brand of your choice. If you're like me and you have way too much stuff, then a subscription probably isn't the way for you to go. That's why I don't do subscriptions. This is my friend's kit. Okay, have a great night. Bye-bye.